There he is. Hey, I heard the good news. You're officially joining the Dad Club. Congrats, man. Yep, that's right. Finally happened. Wife is pregnant. Well, still, happy Father's Day. Well, thank you. I actually even made sure to get myself a Father's Day present. Oh, is that right? Honestly, it's pretty sweet. I already got off-road lights for it. You know, better visibility. I'll probably get a winch, a compressor. I'm thinking about maybe throwing on some rock lights as well. That's great. So you bought so I was either thinking I junkyard swap some Rubicon axles, or I get some crate axles and throw some aftermarket lockers on. Right. I haven't made up my mind yet. Wait, did you buy a Jeep? Now here's the beauty of it. I can still get stock locker messages, and I can have swaybar controls right at my fingertips using the OEM locker buttons. Wow, that's, you know what? Why don't you come take a look at this bad boy? Okay. I thought you bought a Jeep. Oh no, this is the Z Automotive AuxZiliary Kit. That way when I get a Jeep, I'll be all ready to get it modified. Wait, do you not even own a Jeep? Oh no, I can't afford that just yet. Remember, I have a baby on the way. Plus, you wouldn't have a baby without getting a crib for it first, would you?